You don't know this is your boy, this is the baddest. Representing Lion Food TV, so we are talking about you're bigging up to the whole world, you know, Gambia, so we are there, you know, busting up to the next world, you know. Yeah, man, road boy, smiling cause of Gambia, so we are bigging up Lion Food to the world, so we are talking about, you know, international things.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen. I'm lioness, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health about wealth. And right now, I cook some food because I love the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man. Big up Oscar, who's a steam for flight at the kitchen, where there are some people can cook good. But yeah, today we have a look at tour and I'm going to show you how I do my ital store. It's a quick thing, mash up a quick thing, quick match before we go football, because you don't know, you know what I mean? Hot food, healthy food is good for the health more than dry food, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, big up myself, don't go nowhere. The song in the background playing while I'm chefing, I already know song, them can't cook. Zine. So you can check it out. Yeah, man. Big up Roddy Swinging. I don't know a piece of love or unity we set. So viewers and subscribers, don't go nowhere. See? Stay tuned. Yeah, man. The tutorial coming soon.
Turkey's restaurant, control tower. Oh, you can go with your granny and can't cook. So girl have to rely on the recipe book. Oh, you can cook rice and peas and put caterpillar. Well, I fish you are fried. Make sure the pot hot.
Man, bless all of greetings, man. I don't know if I see them, which I don't know. Lion Foot. Yeah, man. Big up all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen. Right now, we're there in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man. Well, Lion Foot in the kitchen. Yeah. But I know so bad when you can't cook good. But I know so bad when you can't cook good. Me say you have some people just can't cook. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up Roddy Irie. Man, Roddy, you hit again. But I know so bad when you can't cook good. You're Roddy. Right now, I cook some items through. I have cooking idea, you know. Don't know me a football later. Night match in the cool. So you have to make sure you heat up the warm food them. So you feel solid. You have some items through today. See? I'll show you what I go on. Watch out. Yes, my people say it now, so we have one Irish, one carrot, thyme, hot pepper, country pepper, scallion, coconut here, so cut up, I'm going to blend up them one here, and then I'm going to use some to make some coconut drops, you know, about 4 drops, then we can get about 4 drops out of this, and blend up some of this, get the juice, put in the ital stew. So right now, so now we have peas here, so, you know. Yeah, the peas are cooked, you see me? Yeah, man. You see it? Peas is cooking. You know what I mean? Alright, so when the peas cook, then we're going to cut up the carrot and the Irish and chew on it, you know? And make it get thick, build a little spinners and
Lion Food TV. You can't cook? Yeah, some boy and some girl can't cook, you know. But I know so bad when some boy can't cook.
My granny teach me to bake pudding. And cook and sew too for sew and make clothes and everything there. My granny, but my mother, yeah. But I know so bad when they can't cook good. You have some people just can't cook. This side of the food make you know one look. Big up your area. But I know so bad when they can't cook good. Yeah, man, so I blend, you can blend them coconut them, you know. After I done blend the coconut, that's the trash, that's the juice. See? Yes, I'm going to pour it in the pot right now, you see me? Yeah. That's what I got. You want to see it? Make it go and cook while the piece are cooked. See? Yeah. Alright. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, my people, my fans, friends, families. Yeah, man, you know, so we have carrot, Irish diced up, scallion, thyme, country pepper, garlic, ginger. You know what I mean? Yeah. I got throw in the pot now, you see me?
Look, man a chef, man a cook, from behind the avenue. Just a few and cat and me friend Kiki. The girl can't style it.
So we have the rice here, so. look at the rice, you know? Yeah, man, we just have to throw it in the pot now, is it? Yeah, man, at the badness of the shrimps. Straw peas. Subscribers say that. I'm a lion, I'm a lioness. Straw peas well thick up, you know? You know water, you see me? Yeah. Sweet and white rice. Shelly rice. That's it, nice. Oh. Yeah, man. But I know so bad when you can't cook good. Yeah, man, because people will carry it themselves. Yeah, man, see it on my eat one small munch before football, you know? By the time it digest, 3 hours time must digest, isn't it? Yeah, so watch out. One dumpling, a man spinach and a rice, and next two well thick up and nice. Everything nice, I would say. Yeah, man. But that's not so bad when you can't cook good. Steam for you fly out of the kitchen. Yeah, man. Big up Roddy Harry. Relax, girl. Alright, look off Roddy Harry, no same going on. Steam for you fly out of the kitchen. What you say?
Hello, I'm Malachi.
Oh, you can go with your granny and can't cook. Some girl have to rely on the recipe, but for you people price a piece and good catch a piece.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Well, that was my little quick thing in the kitchen, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I love cooking, you know. I couldn't tell when last time I got a restaurant. You see me, but yeah, big up all of the restaurant. Them see me, Control Tower, Jerky's. You see me, I say, Blue Night, all of the restaurant, we're already called the song. And every other restaurant, God bless, you know what I mean? Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, man, a mad thing, man, you see me? So yeah, you don't know. Health over wealth and big up on yourself. Your support is highly appreciated. All over interact and share the thing. All who not interact and who not share the thing, big up on yourself. Same way. Big up each and every one of you into your scrutiny, we say, see? Yeah, well, big up Red Snapper. Red Snapper, I get the thing them. I know I'm going to put it out there. You know what I mean? Let them go out there. Yeah, man, so I like the production also. You see me? So big up all my kings and queen. I like them, lioness. If you can't be good, be careful, be safe. Eat right, think right, and drink right. Do the right thing. Help someone if you can. And Lion Foot, and I'm out.
You are fried, make sure you put that.
TV every time, I don't know. Tune in, YouTube styling.
Lion Foot, up front.
Lion Foot TV.
Yeah, man.
Lion Foot TV, we say. Straight.
We're not and that was the Lion Foot TV, and that was the Big Mama straight. Let's just say tune in, you know. If you're not tuning in, I said, no, big up Lion Foot TV straight, and I'm Mr. Rastafari to the world.
Lion Foot TV. Them know it, Lion. Empire Selassie, the Almighty Creator. Judgment in our road.
Let's get wine. Circulate your waistline. Shake your body like tambourine chime. You know sour like lime. You sweet like pine. Like a chimpanzee in the trees of your time and wine.
Yeah, man, I eat that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.